Welcome everybody. Today we're at Seaport Village in San Diego. Gonna go take a look around. Thought I'd bring you guys with us. Let's go check it out. Meet me where the sky touches the sea. San Diego, California, Seaport Village.
Dog is so sweet.
Thank you.
Likes going for stroller rides, huh?
She loves it. Yes. else you want to see? Yeah, we've been to these ones lots of times. Yeah. So yeah, there's two businesses then. Yeah. Oh, there's Ben and Jerry's. Waffles is eating lunch. Our lunch is on the way. What a good puppy. This is what we got going on. He's got some nachos with what on it?
Carne asada.
I've just got cheese and some pico de gallo and maybe a little bit of meat right there, it looked like. Some sour cream. Got some guacamole. He's got carne asada fries.
Yep.
And you've got a Cali burrito, I think. All right, and she's got her lunch, as I already showed you guys. Somebody's over here looking for food.
Dirt cake.
Dirt cake. All right, let's go check out the carousel. It's actually moving. Sometimes we come here and it isn't. Let's take a look at it. Over here and take another look. Hopefully you can still see through. It's got some information on it. Better sign was over here. It's the history of this Louvre carousel. Get you out to the Pacific Ocean here. This is the Bay Area. Have you ever been in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They've been coming and going.
So they're working on a bunch of the buildings down here right now. Got a big construction thing going on. Yeah,
Fudge is very fudge.
his fudge is very fudgy. Give you a view of the ocean again here. San Diego Bay. There's a buoy out there. Can you see that? Coronado Bridge. To the left. Yeah. Got a little beach area there for people to chillax and some seats. This fountain's on. We'll go take a look at that. The other one was off. Don't know why the other one was off, but this one's off. Got a new magnet we got at Seaport Village today. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed going to Seaport Village. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.